Alright, so today I will be giving a video tutorial on GeoGebra. First things first, we need to open up the GeoGebra application. So you'll go over here and double click GeoGebra. Now GeoGebra is a free and multi-platform dynamic mathematics software for all levels of education that joins geometry, algebra, tables, graphing, statistics, and calculus in one easy-to-use package. It's received numerous educational software awards in Europe and the United States. So first things first, let's enlarge our page here so we can see it all. As you can notice, this is the default GeoGebra window. The heart of GeoGebra is here, which is the toolbar. Just like any other Windows software, we have a toolbar. As you can notice, there's arrows indicated on each bar. As you click one, you can see that there are more tools on each bar. We have point on object, intersection, line segments, specific lines, whether they be perpendicular, parallel. We also have shapes, all different types of polygons, circles, just helpful hints and quick shortcuts to understanding and conceptualizing mathematics as an entity. As you notice, each one you select, the blue square will be highlighted. That indicates which one is in fact active. As you notice, there are two windows displayed on the GeoGebra window. We have the algebra, which shows you what algebra you're doing, and the graphics side, or also known as the drawing pad. So let's start off and just play around. Let's place a point. Let's go 1, 1. As you can see that it is not exactly 1, 1, so a helpful way to go around this is by selecting the graphics menu. We'll go down here. And then we click show grid. We can easily turn it on and off based on your preferences. This will just help you. As you can see, if we have our point here, we can move it, and just like that, it'll be easy as moving it over to 1, 1. So let's go ahead and label another point. How about 3, 3? As you can tell, over here on the algebra side, we have that it does in fact say 3, 3. If we click on both points, we can actually then connect a line between the 2 points just by selecting each two, and we have our line there. If you go over to the algebra, it even in fact tells us its equation, which will help students basically generalize each picture. As you go more and more, we can also label some more points, like so. You can put a perpendicular line between C and the line just by selecting it. We can also play around and create a polygon. As you can tell, it just shades in the area for you, and we'll connect it. Boom, you have a triangle there. We can see that here in fact is the polygon, and it will give each segment length as displayed. So it's just a quick, easy tool in helping to figure out that exactly. Now there's a multitude of different ways you can have GeoGebra, as you can have an assignment already set up, helping them say graph given 2 points, or you can help ask a student to find the equation given a certain amount of points. It's just an all-around useful tool. Teachers can use GeoGebra to help make math more meaningful and visual for students. Teachers can quickly build digital worksheets that include simulations already created on GeoGebra and their own multiple choice or short response questions. As I stated before, it's just a quick, easy. If you already have an assignment, it'll already be posted. Students just open up GeoGebra and then they can work from there. And let's say you don't have graphing calculators to use while you're doing your paper notes, and you have the access to GeoGebra. Students can use this as a substitution method for that. It runs in a full screen mode, which restricts students' access to other programs and the internet during a test, which is great because we always have been using lockdown browsers, so this just eliminates that factor right then when you pull up GeoGebra. There's a vast amount of flexible math simulations that allow for creation, modifications, and real-world learning. In other words, they already have a multitude of examples for which a student can find GeoGebra and assignments already online for teachers to help access. The bottom line is it's a free open source software that lets teachers build or adapt learning experience to meet their kids' needs.